World War II, the war that changed the world forever. September 1st, 1939. The world was about to burn when Adolf Hitler invaded Poland. It wasn't just another conflict, it was the beginning of the deadliest war in human history. Over 70 million people would die, entire cities would vanish, and humanity would face both its darkest evil and its greatest courage. This is the story of World War II. Germany introduced a terrifying new strategy, the Lightning War. Fast tanks, relentless airstrikes, overwhelming speed. Within weeks, Poland collapsed. Soon, countries like France, Belgium, and Netherlands fell one by one. Europe trembled, but across the English Channel, one man refused to surrender, Winston Churchill. We shall never surrender. And Britain stood alone. In 1940, Germany tried to break Britain through air power. The Battle of Britain had begun. Day after day, they bombed cities. London burned. Families hid in underground stations. But young citizens, some barely 19-year-old, defended their skies. Churchill would later say, never in the field of human conflict was so much owed by so many to so few. Against all odds, Britain survived. December 7th, 1941. A surprise attack on Pearl Harbor. A Japanese plane devastated the US Pacific Fleet. The next day, the United States entered the war. Under President Frank D. Roosevelt, America mobilized like never before. Factories ran 24/7. Women filled industrial jobs. The world was now fully at war. In 1941, Hitler made a fatal decision. He invaded the massive Soviet Union, Operation Barbarossa. At first, German forces advanced rapidly, but then came the Russian winter. Freezing temperatures, supply shortages, stubborn Soviet resistance under Joseph Stalin. At the Battle of Stalingrad, one of the bloodiest battles in history, Germany suffered a crushing defeat. It was the turning point. The unstoppable machine had stopped. Allied forces launched the largest amphibious invasion in history. The beaches of Normandy ran red. American, British, and Canadian soldiers stormed fortified German defenses. Thousands died in hours, but they broke through. Western Europe would soon be liberated. Germany was collapsing from both sides. Behind the battlefields, an even darker crime unfolded. Under Hitler's regime, 6 million Jews were murdered in the Holocaust. Concentration camps like Auschwitz became symbol of unimaginable cruelty. This was not just war, it was genocide, a reminder of how dangerous hatred can become. By 1945, Germany surrendered. Hitler was dead, but the war in the Pacific continued. Then came a weapon the world has never seen before, the atomic bomb. On August 6th and 9th, 1945, the United States dropped atomic bombs on Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Instant devastation. Japan surrendered. World War II was over. War reshaped the planet. The United States and the Soviet Union emerged as superpowers. The Cold War began. The United Nations was formed to prevent future global conflicts, and the world vowed never again. World War II showed us the worst of humanity, but also the best. Courage in the skies, sacrifice on the beaches, resistance in the shadows. It reminds us that the peace is fragile, and history must never be forgotten.